All right, it's Monday morning and it's gloomy as fuck out here in LA. I don't know what the hell is going on because yesterday it was about 95 degrees. This morning it is a nice 62. Either way, I'm not complaining. Gonna go drive some hydros at the park pond. Did a little bit of modifications to the green one. I threw in a 10 shock motor. I robbed my mini scored, which is basically, a lot like the mini Dom. And I robbed that one of its 1515 motor, which is basically a 2835, 3300 kV. So not much different kV than those motors that are coming with the hydros. Just seems that the magnet is way stronger, compared to that's anyways. I'm babbling. I'm gonna go drive some boats. We'll catch you on the other side of the lake. All right, guys. This one ran 35. This one ran 36. This one has the stock motor with the Sidewinder ESC. This one right here, I haven't taken the tape off. It has the stock ESC with the 10 shock motor out of the mini scored. And I was trying to film, but my camera is having some issues. So that's pretty much it. I don't feel like staying here too much longer because I got a football game and I got to get going. So I'll see you guys back at the shop a little later. Hey guys, so I just got back from the pond. Ran a couple hydros, nothing special. Had some camera issues, so I came back into the garage to try to do a little bit of testing to see what's going on with the camera. A little bit of troubleshooting here and there, changing memory cards, changing batteries, changing some settings on the camera, and seeing how it works. So I figured I'll introduce you guys to the newest member of my fleet, and this is the Oxidigger Oxidigger. And it is a wooden kit. I didn't build it. It came this way, and it absolutely came amazing. All these parts are water jet cut and precise. The precision is just top notch, top notch. And I'm gonna set it up and get it on the water very soon. I just ordered a new pack from SMC Racing, a nice 6S pack to fit in here. Gonna fit a GoPro on the back here, get some nice shots of the sponsons and the turn fin spraying out. And that's pretty much it. So far the camera's still working well, and I am chalking this up to the battery. Absolutely. Anyways, so guys, if you have one of these boats, I can tell you, Ironclad has an amazing playlist specifically for this boat. And he has everything all the way from the unboxing, the bench prep, the maiden run, the tuning, and his 100-mile-an-hour plus runs. Absolutely great. If you have this boat, set it up pretty much the way he did, if that's what you're looking to do, is hit 100 miles an hour with it. Other than that, the camera's still working, so I'll talk about this boat real quick. This one right here, I painted over the weekend. It's a white gel coat hull, and it's hyper light actually compared to all the other ones. It's 100 grams lighter than my original versions. Anyways, this boat is for sale, and it's only going to be for sale as almost ready to run. So if you're interested in buying it, send me a message. My email is in the description. And guys, I'll also put an link in the description for Ironclad's playlist for this outrigger. Anyways, so we'll call it short, and this kind of sucks because I like videotaping the hydros run. They run great. The red one ran great. The green one ran great. All right, guys, what can I say? That's it. Hydroplanes, outriggers. camera fails. That's been my day. So I got to run to football. I got a game in about 30 minutes. So tune in next time, guys. See you around. Bye.